Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. Today we are going to do some sweet potato starts. I have some in the house. They're growing very slow, so I'm going to put them outside because they usually grow in about 2 weeks when you put them outside. So let's start that. If you're interested, then stick around and stay tuned. Saved some potatoes from my harvest last year. I got 3 different kinds. This is the purple potato. It's purple flesh on the inside. This is the Beauregard. And this is one I got from the grocery store. I don't know what it is. Is it? Look, it's growing flowers already. Didn't even realize that. But it is. So that'll help it out. Them two are. This one is not. So what I'm going to do is put them in here in each little section, and then they'll just grow and start. And I'm gonna leave them outside and put them in my garden like I did last year. I'll leave the video up there so that you can see how I did that. If you want to check those out, or how they grew last year and how to get the sweet potato started. So alright, and I put a little bit of fertilizer in here. I need to put some water and make sure the bottom is wet because it needs to stay moist. A lot of people leave them hanging up out the top, but I do not. I just watch. I forget his name, but he did it this way, and he put them all the way under the ground. I'm gonna let that part with the thing stick up, and he completely covered them. And that's what I did last year, and in 2 weeks they were up. So I'm gonna do the same thing. If it ain't fixed, broke, don't try to fix it. Same thing over here. Make a little area. Make sure it's wet at the bottom. The only difference last year is I put some cocoa coir in there. I got a little bit, because that helped it stay moist. And then cocoa coir, but the same difference with chips. I'm gonna turn this one this way since it got this root on it. And then we're just gonna cover it up. Do the same thing on this side. I probably should have put the labels on it. Let me put the labels on it too, because they'll start growing and I won't know which one is which. So let me turn my printer on. And I have one of these label makers, which is what I'm using to make all my labels this year. So we have the purple, and that's all I'm gonna put. I don't know which. I got it from the grocery store, so I don't even know what kind it is. I just know it's purple inside and out. And let me find my labels. Do you have any that's already open? Yeah. Oh, I just whipped my seeds up. Nope, they're not open. But I had some that was open. Oh yeah, here they go. So purple. Put purple on it. Stick it there so we know that's the purple one. I think this is the Beauregard. Let me look. Yeah, that's the dark one. I think. Nope, that's the Beauregard there. So I don't know what kind this is, but that one's the Beauregard. So put a little bit of water in there. Water that in. And I'm just gonna put orange. Because I don't know what it is. Green print. Orange on it. That might come off. Did I not take the other half off? Nope. I did. Orange right there. This one over here, the flower on it. Oh, it's at the tip. So, stick that in there. Cover back up. And when I say that this is the fastest way they come up, it is truly fast when you cover them completely. Alright, now let's do the other one. Hope I'm spelling it right. I can't spell. It'll be close enough. And then there is the Beauregard. There. I'm gonna put some perlite on top of it. Help with moisture in. And it's just regular old perlite. It's organic, but apparently it's not. Better be organic. And that's it for that. We're going to take it and put it in the garden bed. So let's grab it. Still dripping. Just gonna sit in the middle of my onions and grow it for now. This is what I did last year. Probably shouldn't have broke that. That's probably gonna cause some issues. But whatever. Maybe not. Hope nothing don't come and dig them up. Didn't have that issue last year, but we will see. So, and that is it for that. And hopefully the ones in the house will grow out as well. Look at the strawberries, y'all. Bought a green stalk. I'm gonna put them in there. I'm gonna transplant them. So hopefully some more come up. So let me let you guys see the ones that's growing in the house. We have those. I broke those off. They were on here, on this one, which is a I think that's a Beauregard too. And that's one, a starter that I had. This would be my 4th year growth from it. I saved it. So they're my seeds. But it's that one. And that came from that one. So I think that's the Beauregard. And this is just an orange one. I had a purple one, but it started rotting. This one been growing at the same pace. But no leaves have come out of it. Well, that's not true. It is one now. You see it there coming up inside the water at the bottom. So maybe I put it in there upside down. I don't know if there's a way you're supposed to put it in the water, top or bottom, but I put it in there and the leaves are coming up, which is fine because they can grow in the water. Because this plant here grow in the water and they grow just fine. But it just takes forever when you put it in water and let it grow that way. So if you have time, take them outside and grow them that way, because it takes the same amount of time unless you grow them year round, which you could grow them year round in your house and then just root them and plant them once it gets time, and that can save you time because they're beautiful plants and you can eat the leaves. So yeah, if you have a big pot, just plant some in there and let them grow over the winter. Anyway, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.